In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage third-party app permissions connected to your Amazon account. Keeping an eye on which external apps and services can see parts of your Amazon data is an easy way to protect your privacy and clean up old connections you no longer use. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. If you land on the Amazon Prime page, that's perfectly fine. The controls we need are available from anywhere on the Amazon site as long as you're signed in. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to manage, then stay on the desktop view for the clearest layout. Move your mouse to the top right of the page and hover over your profile area, usually labeled Account and Lists. Don't click yet, just hover. A large menu will drop down with shortcuts to different parts of your account. From that drop-down, click Account. This takes you to the Your Account hub, where Amazon groups settings related to orders, security, and privacy. On the Your Account page, scroll down until you see options related to data and security. You're looking for a link called Manage Apps and Services with Data Access. This is the control center for third-party connections tied to your Amazon account. Click that link to open a list of apps and services that currently have permission to access specific Amazon information. Each entry typically shows the app's name, a brief description, and what type of data it can access, such as your profile details, order information, or Alexa content. Take a moment to review these carefully. If you no longer use an integration or you don't recognize it, it's wise to remove it. To revoke access, locate the app you want to disconnect and click Remove. Confirm if you're asked. The permission is revoked immediately, which may disable features inside that third-party app that relied on your Amazon data. If you change your mind later, you can restore access by reconnecting through that app's normal sign-in or linking flow. Repeat this review for any other entries until you're comfortable with what remains. It's a good habit to revisit this page every few months so your account only shares data with tools you actively use. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to Amazon's permission page and removed unwanted third-party access, keeping your account leaner and more secure.